Our beloved headmaster, Mr. Manohar, my beloved teachers and fellow students. Today to be here in school is a great honor for me and something I cherish so deeply. The memories keep flooding back to the years that I spent here. I joined school on the 12th of May 1986. I was a young boy, I was about 12 years old, and I just left home in Calcutta where my parents lived to embark on a dream to try and be a world champion, to embark on a dream to try and win an Olympic medal for India. When I was 12, at that point it was a dream, and when I left home I was very lonely. And I can say that the teachers and my fellow students at MCC, two of them are standing behind me here. A lot of the teachers are still teaching you today, who I remember so fondly. They gave me the love and the tenderness and the care that a young boy needed at that time, who is standing in front of you today, that same Olympic champion and that same world champion. And as much as I've won 12 Grand Slams, I think that all of you and the MCC school has won 12 Grand Slams. I can very confidently say that I would not be the man I am today without the education system, without the skills that the teachers taught me, and without the love and the care and the determination, I call them the 3 Ds, that the school has instilled in me. So to Mr. Manohar, to all the teachers of MCC school, I would like all of us boys to give all of the staff and the school principal a big ovation for the work that you all have done. For me, when I was in school here, I remember running on this field, playing football for the school. I see some of the football players in front here with their football jerseys on. We had quite a few boys from the islands down south who would play here. I remember I used to train for tennis, and I was not allowed to play football at that time. But when Mr. Felix, our principal at that time, asked me to play, you could never say no. So I came and I played, and unfortunately it was in the papers the next morning that I'd scored 8 goals and I got into trouble. Maybe I should not have scored so many. I remember in school, the computer room had just started. I did not know how to use the computer keys, and being a tennis player, I was pretty strong at that time, and I would bang on the keys. And the teacher would say, don't push the keys so strong, be a little gentle with them. And today, traveling the world, I know how important computers are to book my flights, to look after my bank accounts, to stay in touch with my family and my friends. I remember in math class, I sometimes used to fall asleep because I didn't know the answers at all. And I used to be quite tired from my practice. And please don't fall asleep during math class, because it's very, very important when you're playing tennis or when you're traveling the world to know your numbers very good. I remember when I used to run the relay around the track here on Sports Day, the wall was not up. It used to be a fence at that time. And now looking at the way the school is grown so beautifully, I'm really pleased to see the 2 tennis courts are still there that I used to practice and play on. But to every one of you boys, and to one of you girls now, because school's co-ed now, never used to be co-ed when I was in school, each and every one of you all are champions in your own self. And the skills that the teachers teach you, the skills and the opportunity that school gives you, you all must use those opportunities to achieve your dreams. My dream was to be a world champion in tennis. Your dreams could be to be a scientist, to be a doctor, to be an astronaut, to be a business person, to be a teacher yourselves. But live your dreams. If it's the one thing that I can stand for, one of you boys from MCC school, is that if you live your dream, and if you really believe in it, and work at it very hard, your dreams can come true. So all I'm trying to do today is to stand in front of you very proudly as a MCC boy to share that not just am I a Grand Slam champion, and not just am I a world champion, MCC school is a world championship school. And that each and every one of you are champions in yourselves. And if you take the skills that the teachers have taught you, and if you use your friendships around you to motivate you to achieve your dreams, every one of you can be world champions in your field and achieve your dreams. So, with these few words, I'd like to say that wherever Leander goes and plays for not only India, not only for my family, but I represent you. That I go out there as an MCC boy, that I will go out there in everything I do as an MCC boy to be the best that I can be. And to share something new with you that only a few people know. As a young boy, my dream was to win an Olympic medal and be a world champion. I can't keep playing tennis forever. So as much as I will be in sport, and I will always try and nurture the next champion in the field of sport, now I look to entertain you also in the movies. I have signed on 4 movies. I'm working on one at the moment. And to show you again that if you dream at doing something, and there's no guarantee whether you can be a success or not, but the skills that you learn when you were a child, through your family, through your parents, through your teachers, through your school, those same attributes, that same student-like ability, you take to achieve your dreams. So as an MCC boy, I will say to you, dream large and always follow your dreams passionately. So thank you very much for your wonderful welcome. And I will always be proud to be an MCC boy. Thank you.
We will have now introduction. We have some of the boys who wanted to ask Leander some questions. So, who are those boys? Can I have them here? Who are them? Yeah, please come first. Double up, double up. Leander, you can.